What's up, guys? Thank you so much for joining my channel today. Now I'm going to give you guys this tutorial. You can make this like a Valentine tutorial if you like, or if you're just stepping out. Now right here I'm using the Morphe concealer, which is C115, and I'm just gonna apply it to my lids. Now I am making sure that I dispute this on my lid really well so it can be very even out, because you do not want it to be cakey or like tacky. So you want to make sure you not suiting it, but blend it into the lid as seamless as possible. You know I got to get my jam on, okay, while I'm making sure everything is disputed well in the eye, okay? Just jamming. So I'm going to go into the Morphe palette. So I am about to dive into this burgundy color, but before I dive in that color, I'm going to dive into this like hot pink color just to give you guys that Valentine's pink, all right? Need y'all to tell me right now, do you guys think pink or red has to, always deal with Valentine's Day when you're giving out, when you're doing that look? Do you think that the colors always have to be pink and red? Could it be more colors? Could it be like a purple? Just give me your idea. Like, can you leave that in the comment section below? What do you think? Do Valentine's Day always have to have a traditional pink and red? Just give me an idea of that, because I like doing stuff a little different. So now I'm going into this purple color, this deep burgundy purple, and I'm gonna darken up the edges a bit, very much so, a bit because I love having that dark edge. Okay, I love to have that dark edge. So that is what I'm kind of giving off, because I like to change up. I don't like for my looks to look like other people. I kind of like it to do what I want it to do. I like it to do its own thing. I like to come up with my own creation. So that is what it's coming in at. And I'm just taking that brush and kind of smoking that color out a tad bit, just to kind of maneuver it around to kind of change that traditional pink. All right, now the tone done changed a little bit. Girl done got a little darker in the edge. Girl done got a little darker up in there. Okay, we done got our grown and sexy on. All right, so it's time to get your wine, get your tea, whatever you need, baby, because it's time for you to transform with your girl, naturally me, Dion. All right, so look, I need you to just imagine like I'm there with you, girl, and we doing a thing. We doing our makeup together, girl, getting sexy, getting ready for him when he come here, baby. We got to get ready. Like, this ain't no joke. So, yeah, that's where we at right now. That's what we doing. So, right now, I'm going into Foolish, which is this peach pink looking color. And I'm just putting that in the corner of, well, in the, by the tear duct of my eye, whatnot, in that crease area. So I'm just putting that in there, patting that in there as even as possible. And this is a good time to tell you guys, to really show you and teach you, this is how I know what colors I'm going to use. I just kind of look at the palette and see what colors look good together in that palette, and I try to make those colors come alive. I'm talking so great. I try to make those colors come alive on my eyes. So the way that I do that is just by trying new things, just making sure it's even disputed on the eye. And then when I go in with the other color that I think that look good with the other color that I've previously used, which is this color right here, which I think this color here is so pretty. And I kind of seen those colors side by side, so I decided to use them together, which is Shuffle and Foolish. I thought those look so good together. So Shuffle is like this, like golden yellow brownish very much so golden, and I just like the color scheme together. So that's why I was getting into it. I'm like, do you guys think Valentine's Day have to be with traditional colors, or could you add your own little twist in there like I'm doing? So I just thought this color looked so good on my lid. It just kind of give me like a butterscotch um gold, you know, and I was all for it. So patting that real good, making sure that it's spewed around, and make sure it's even out good with the other eyeshadow. So now, guys, I'm diving into the Hard Candy Glitteratzi's, and I haven't used this palette in a long time, and I got this palette from Walmart, and you can get this from Walmart for a little or nothing, and it's a palette full of like pressed glitter. Like if you push it, glitter is gonna come out. Okay, glitter is just gonna come out. So you guys can see that it's extremely shiny, and this is by Hard Candy, guys, in Walmart. Like it's pretty good. Think that when you're just now getting into makeup, that this is something nice for you to have, because if you're anything like me, you love glitters, and this is something simple you can do. Girl, just put a glitter line, a glitter crease, and go out the door, girl. I done did full cut creases with this glitter, so I think it's bomb. So right here, guys, I'm just disputing the glitter above, like the area where I have that line where I was cutting my crease. And I'm just putting little glitters up there just to, you know, make the look quicker and easier, girl. You don't have time to be looking in the mirror all day, girl. Just Valentine's Day, you trying to do stuff with your man, girl. You ain't got time for all that. So I'm just putting little glitter chunks up there or whatnot, trying to bring this thing glitters out, okay? So yeah, I think I did a good job. You know, I like these rose glitter pinks, and this is it, girl. I'm gonna give y'all a look with this palette here, a simple glitter look, girl, and I bet you I can show you how to get a simple glitter look with just this palette. Okay, baby, look, get ready. Go ahead, like the video. Also, girl, go ahead and subscribe while you edit. Go ahead and subscribe, because your girl bring you easy ideas for your eye, girl, for your man, okay? Bring you easy looks, girl. You ain't got to be in the mirror all day, okay? Because this look didn't take me long, okay? All right, girl. Now, this is the YXL purple liner or whatever. This is the bright purple liner. But let me tell y'all something. I ain't going to even put this in the description box, because I don't even like this liner like that. Because what it does is it chips like paint or whatever, you know, like some people lipstick. But anyway, so yeah, I ain't going to even, I'm just not going to even tell y'all about this because this is just not one of my favorite liners to use. However, the look did come out right with it, but it ain't gonna last. You know, with the line, with this you know, ink liner, like a paint, because it chips so much. So within the crease area there, I'm just gonna dispute in there a little bit more glitter from another palette, and you guys won't believe what palette it is. So now I'm going into my Chanel foundation, girl. And I am a BR 132. And this is the Ultra Le Tint by Chanel, baby. And let me tell you, I love this foundation. And it doesn't take much to get into, to blend in with the skin. I do love this foundation, girl. When it settles, it's really nice and smooth. It's dope. I really like this foundation. Like, it's been one of my faves. And I like to make sure I always have my Chanel foundation. And this foundation is one of my favorite foundations of all because I just love the way it looks on my skin. So now I'm diving into Shape Tape Tarte, which is one of my favorite concealers ever. And I'm using Tan Sand Deep. And I'm going to just put this here, or maybe it's just Tan Sand here. Yeah, I think this one is Tan Sand, period. So I'm just putting it right there to just give me some little highlights, in the T-zone area, whatnot. And let's see what happens. So I'm just going in and blending that in really smoothly with a brush, making sure that I concentrate on the areas that I'm trying to lighten up. So I'm just staying in the T-zone area, whatnot. Well, that's not part of my T-zone. But underneath the eye, making sure those fine lines just disappear, girl. Trying to lift this face up, plump it up, baby. So now, guys, I'm just preparing my face now. I'm setting the concealer with a powder, and I'm actually using a banana powder. And then I'm just going to go into my bronzer, which is the Shirley Tilbury. I hope I said that right. Shirley Tilbury bronzer or whatnot. This is the Airbrush bronzer. And I'm just going to dive into this. I really like the way it gave me that look. Like, it was like, this is the right one this time. Like, I actually did it right. Because normally I just don't know about this. Because sometimes this powder is so intense. It only takes a little bit of the Charlotte, I can't say it. The Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. Okay, it doesn't take much, just a little bit. But I had to go over the top and keep putting more on there. Why? Junkie. Baby, your girl ain't got no home training when it's coming down to being over the top, okay? At least the areas that I can see very well apart from my eyes, I can make it more sharp, give that sharp look that I done missed out on from the eyes, so I'm gonna sharpen it up in the face, so that's kind of why I kind of go above and beyond when it comes down to tapering this face down, girl. I like to make it kind of sharp, I like to get like have structure like I wanted this to happen. If you subscribe to the channel, then girl, you're going to be making things like this happen as well, honey. You're going to be making it happen as well, girl, because he going to be trying to figure out how you get so good with that makeup, baby. And he ain't going to even know you been schooling yourself, girl. That's what I'm talking about. So up next, I'm going into the Essence 18 Hour Super Last eyeliner, waterproof eyeliner, girl. And I be using this stuff for everything, girl. Everything. I like the way it gets the sharpness to the eyes, and then it gives you like that nice shine. I really like it. It make your lashes look good, girl. But make sure you clean them lashes up, girl, because they're black. And then having a little bit of, residue on them lashes, girl, kind of leave a mark, girl, because I forgot to clean mine, but don't talk about it. So I'm going to go into the Watch Me Blush palette from the Crayon case, and I'm going to dive into this red color here, and I'm just going to put that on my waterline or whatnot, and I'm going to mix some of that purple color there. I'm gonna mix it up in there to kind of darken it up a little bit, like I already got the right side, girl. Kind of give it that dark effect, girl. Yes, yes, yes. That's how it's gonna be. So yeah, girl, your girl getting ready. You ready? I hope y'all ready. I hope you got your stuff together, girl. I mean, we ain't got time to be playing, girl. He'll be home in a minute. So I'm gonna go into my Aurora Lights palette from Bhcosmetics, and I'm gonna dive into the foil orange color. So guys, finna get ready to head out, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this to come, and I will bring them to you. I really did enjoy making this video, so guys, don't be a stranger. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also like this video, girl. Let's go. Let's grow to the top together so we can get out and do some crazy stuff, have fun, girl. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel so you don't forget or do not miss anything that I do, because I definitely don't want you to forget about me, girl. By you not ringing that bell, that means you got a chance of forgetting me, girl. All right, and I would love to see you and talk to you, girl. I would like to be, you know, just vibing with you, girl, so we can have some girl time. So if you haven't yet, hit it. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button. It's free of charge. You don't have to pay for it. Just subscribe to this channel so you guys can see more videos like this to come, because I have a whole buttload of videos coming your way. So I hope to see you guys soon, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope to see y'all rocking this look. I hope that is what you guys like. I hope it was well took in time and worth your watching. So I will see you guys in the next video. I'll talk to you guys later. Holla.